Oil surging northwards after OPEC Plus shocked investors over the weekend with a cut of over 1 million barrels a day, leading to a fresh inflation concerns making the rounds here. Yahoo Finance's 3 to 5 anchor Seana Smith joins us now for a roundup of all the latest reactions. Seana,
hey there, guys.
Jump in a year for WTI.
Yes, certainly. We're seeing a big jump here in the price of crude, also in a number of these energy players here. So let's take a look at what the street is saying so far about this and their calls on oil and the energy sector after members of OPEC Plus announced that surprise cut just over the weekend. So two good notes out today from the teams at Goldman Sachs and also at Stifel. So let's start with what we're hearing from Goldman. That team revising its year-end and 2024 targets for Brent. Now, analysts there up their year-end target for this year by about $5 to $95 a barrel. They also upped their December 2024 target to $100 a barrel. That's $3 higher than what it had previously been. The bank also lowered its OPEC Plus production target for the year-end to 1.1 million barrels a day. Now, Goldman making the case that this decision reflects two important considerations. Those two considerations, economic and political. So on the economic side, they're saying that clearly oil revenues are going to rise when you take a look at Saudi Arabia and also members of OPEC Plus. On the political side, they talked about releases here, recent releases from the SPRs from France and from the U.S. When we talk about SPRs, obviously, strategic petroleum reserves. Now, the other big call out from the street is from Stifel. Now, the team there thinks that OPEC Plus's production cut means higher oil prices, too, at least in the near term. Now, in terms of what this means for stocks, they think that some of these stocks could see a big boost here as a result. Now, they are very positive for their oil service coverage, in particular, some of those U.S. leverage names. They've got a buy on some of 5 stocks here: Liberty Energy, Next Tier, Oilfield Solutions, Halliburton, Tenaris, and Cactus. And guys, we're certainly seeing the reaction in the price of crude. When you take a look at where that's trading today, up just above $80 a barrel. A number of those energy names, Halliburton, one of the standouts today, up just over 8% right now. So clearly seeing gains across the board in the energy sector. Of course, the big question I'm sure you guys have been talking about all morning is what this means for the Fed's fight against inflation and how that could potentially complicate those factors here over the next couple of months.
And what the response from Washington will be as well here.
Not pleased.
Yahoo Finance's own Seana Smith. You can catch Seana between the 3 to 5 hours here on Yahoo Finance Live. Thanks so much, Seana.
Thanks, guys.